अभी हमें लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी में तो हो रहा है स्पेक्ट्रा में क्या होता है एडू रेवोल्यूशन कि बच्चे जो अपने एजुकेशन में रेवोल्यूशन आ रहे हैं उसके थ्रू अपने प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं और ये है स्कूल ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड अमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी। तो हमारे साथ स्टूडेंट है जो बच्चे लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी में एआई या अमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, आई मीन बीटेक सीएससी के एआई में लेना चाहते हैं, तो उन्हीं से पूछेंगे क्या है और कैसे क्या बच्चे करते हैं और क्या क्या चेंजेस आ सकते हैं। हाय, सबसे पहले वेलकम है आपका। सो मेरे को बताएंगे थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में एआई एंड इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में।
You know, world is completely right now running in AI.
Yeah.
So artificial intelligence. So without AI, the future is completely AI actually right now.
तो इसीलिए अभी इंडिया ने एआई समिट हुआ है या ओके
Exactly. So the world is revolving around AI. So it is high time that we transition from traditional CSE computer science engineering towards the artificial intelligence that is incorporated into our courses. So without AI, we can't even actually imagine a world.
As you have written here, School of AI, Artificial Intelligence and Emerging Technology. So can you segregate two words? What is the meaning of AI and meaning of emerging technology?
Okay, so in artificial intelligence, like artificial intelligence as a whole, as like a, we all know what really is artificial intelligence. Like artificially an intelligence that is exactly like mainly above the human thinking capacity.
Okay.
So incorporating artificial intelligence and the emerging technologies, like whatever technologies we have at the moment, making automations, making life smoother, much more whatever we had like previously, like 10 years ago, 5 years ago, how we communicated with people or how we did a particular task or anything. Right now, whatever we had done within like 3 or 5 days, like in 5 to 10 years, right now we can complete it within 1 hour or 2 hours. So this is what emerging technologies means. Whatever the existing technology we have, with the help of artificial intelligence, we can incorporate and execute tasks very easily. So this is what artificial
AI and emerging technologies
really mean.
So basically you are calling the future, huh?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, great. So those students who want to do like a BTech CSC in AI and ML or data science, something like that. So what's LPU is providing to those students those who want to do BTech CSC?
So LPU is basically, it provides a complete pathway for students who really
And which year student basically?
I'm a third year student.
Okay.
Right now. So in my personal experience as well, LPU has really helped me in shaping a very good pathway, especially in my career as well as in my academics. Me as a person, I'm an entrepreneur.
Okay, great.
In my
so which startup you have started now?
Okay, for the past 1 year, I have my own company named Ramus Technologies.
Ramus Technology.
Yeah.
So basically, which product you are like making?
Ramus means RAY. It's my name, Rajat. MAS is management systems.
Great.
So what I deal with is like I make business operations very smoother.
Okay.
In the next 5 years, I'm planning to become the next Zoho, competing with Microsoft and everyone.
Okay.
So I have an experience of managing various businesses. So I know how business operate.
Okay.
So with automations, with the current AI and everything, making businesses operate smoothly for all age groups, even if you are a age group from 60 plus year old, you should have the capacity to maintain your business very user friendly and very smoothly. So this is the main motive of my company.
Okay.
So LPU as a college university has helped me path the way by giving many academic benefits like attendance relaxation, so and so many more benefits. Even my mentors are really supportive. In my entrepreneurial journey, they have given me a lot of insights that is really helpful for my company.
So basically you are doing BTech CSC.
Exactly.
And with any specialization?
Yeah, software engineering.
Software engineering.
Yeah.
So also having startup, you having, okay.
Exactly.
So this is the great because बच्चे आज की डेट में एक जॉब को छोड़ के स्टार्टअप की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. And you told me which year?
I'm in third year. I was
Third year
working from
student.
first year. I was doing my corporate job for the past 6 years. I resigned.
कितना funds you are generating from your side?
Right now, approximately 12 lakhs I have generated.
12 lakhs you have generated. Oh, great.
And I have bagged an opportunity of over 25 lakhs with a hospital. So this is how I'm really working.
So this is very great. Thank you so much. Or which state you belong to?
Kerala.
So those who want to come from the Kerala, what is your message to those students? You are a startup student.
Okay.
You have already startup in LPU. Okay. Even you are doing BTech. So according to your experience, like those who want to come join in 2026, like
Okay.
what is your message to?
Okay, you can come to LPU if you want a really different experience apart from the traditional learning experience. You can really come to LPU, join, and you can explore more ideas. If you have an idea, you can pitch it. There are wonderful mentors who will be supporting you.
Thank you. So like if you want to join LPU, so आपको लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी में एक LPU नेस देना पड़ता है, जिसका LPU RMU 125 एक डिस्काउंट कूपन कोड है, वो भी मैं आपको दे देता हूँ। और अगर आप यहाँ पे एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दें, डायरेक्ट ऑफिशियली लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप यूनिवर्सिटी में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बता दिया, तो थैंक यू सो मच। आ जाओ यार, ज्वाइन करो। थैंक यू।